Okay, we are at 2512 May Road in Talbott, Tennessee. We have a brick rancher here. Let's do the outside first. We'll come back to the workshop. We're on just under an acre. Really pretty with the landscaping, kind of some gentle sloping, variety of different trees from deciduous to evergreen. All looking pretty good health here. Two-car garage into the house. Then we've got our huge workshop and additional storage unit here. I'm going to go in that first. So you got a roll-up manual door on this side, locking entrance here. We do have power. It's insulated, shelving, pegboards, lighting. Car is not included, but I will ask about the tractor if you want me to. So John Deere tractor, riding mower, double bicycle buggy, trailer. So if you want interested in any of those, let me know. We can always ask about it. This one was an electric garage door opener. It is insulated walls and ceiling, and it does have multiple windows for ventilation. Clear and dry. All right, now we'll go inside. Just over 1,500 square foot. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So coming into the great room, peaked ceilings here. So living area, dining area, gas fireplace, propane, TV conveys, shelving conveys. It's nicely done with a chair rail and like a two-tone lighter and darker gray. We'll go into the kitchen first. Good sized kitchen, and now we change to a plank flooring, so you could have another breakfast nook right in this corner. The countertops are Formica, another little TV, electric stove. Looks like older appliances, but in good condition. Even the cabinets are in good shape here, with the door pulls already on them. And from the kitchen, we go into the laundry area. Large room with full-size washer dryer. Shelving, extra storage. Could put more shelves in here. Here is the electrical panel. And off the kitchen, go to the 2-car garage. You got a 2-step down into the garage. We've got electric garage door openers, a little bit of storage area here, attic access, some narrow shelving, but concrete pad, tiny cracks, doesn't look like anything other than just normal settling. And then we'll go back across kitchen and out to the sunroom. So you got a slight step down. You've got indoor-outdoor carpet. You've got sliding windows that are screened, sunshades. You've got heat, looks like through the propane for heater, electric fan for cooling. This could be your 3-4 season room here, and looks like doggy door. Don't know if that's size sufficient for your guys. And out in the backyard, have an additional just carport. It is a narrower entrance to come in from the front drive. 2 additional sheds here. Nice and quiet. Can see backyards of neighbors, but you don't feel like you're on top of anybody. Looks really well maintained. Oh, I didn't see this earlier. It looks like a little fountain here. Got a little fire pit, flower bed. Again, you got a mix of deciduous and evergreens. You're gonna have shade and you're gonna have color during the fall season. And then the 2 storage units both had power. This one's the smaller of the 2, just with the sliders. Good for storage. And then this one, a little bit larger, insulated, power, shelving, music. Okay, now we're going from the front entrance through the family room. We've got a small coat closet here. Hardwood continues down the hallway. We've got the common bathroom, fiberglass tub shower combo unit. Good water pressure here. Going into the main bedroom that has the hardwood floor. You've got a good size, decent size here, closet. Shelving and shoe storage, hanging storage. Definitely could fit a king bed here on this wall. TV on that back centered. And to the ensuite bath. 1 basin. I did a tile on the floor here and just a step over shower. Built in 1995, just on 0.93 acres. 1510 for the square footage, and here are the other 2 bedrooms. On this side of the house toward the back, good condition Berber carpet, a larger closet in this one. Floor to ceiling storage. And the 3rd bedroom with additional linen closet in the hallway. And bedroom number 3. Ceiling fans and all. Again, decent sized closet. Floor to ceiling storage. Windows definitely are nice and newer. Our vinyl looking out to the back. And there we have it. Okay, I think this one's a contender.